Castor oil is a multi-purpose vegetable oil that people have used for hundreds of years. Castor oil, derived from the castor bean plant, its unique composition, rich in ricinoleic acid, contributes to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties, and it is known for its numerous potential benefits. Here are some of the top 19 benefits of castor oil. Number 1. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil has been traditionally used to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Its effectiveness is attributed to its high content of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and nourishes hair follicles. Studies have shown that applying castor oil to the scalp can increase hair thickness, reduce hair loss, reduces breakage, and encourages healthy hair growth. Number 2. Treats skin conditions. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a valuable treatment for various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its ability to reduce inflammation and moisturize the skin can help soothe itching, promote healing, and improve skin appearance. Number 3. Relieves constipation. Castor oil has been recognized as a safe and effective stimulant laxative by the FDA. It works by stimulating the contraction of intestinal muscles, facilitating bowel movements, and relieving constipation. However, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil as a laxative, especially for prolonged use. Number 4. Boosts immune system. Castor oil is believed to support the immune system by stimulating the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that play a crucial role in fighting infections. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanism of action, castor oil's potential to enhance immune function could have implications for various health conditions. Number 5. Moisturizes dry skin. Castor oil's high viscosity and emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer for dry and cracked skin. Its ability to lock in moisture and prevent dryness can help improve skin hydration and texture. Number 6. Promotes wound healing. Castor oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can promote wound healing by protecting the wound from infection and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that castor oil can accelerate wound healing and reduce complications when applied topically. Number 7. Reduces dandruff. Castor oil's antifungal properties can help combat dandruff, a scalp condition caused by fungal infections. Its ability to reduce inflammation and moisturize the scalp can also help alleviate the itching and dryness associated with dandruff. Number 8. Condition eyebrows and lashes. Castor oil is often used to condition and thicken eyebrows and lashes. Its high content of ricinoleic acid is believed to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. Number 9. Relieves menstrual cramps. 80% of women will experience some form of period pain in their lifetime. When applied topically, castor oil can reduce inflammation, stimulate blood and lymph fluid, and reduce menstrual cramps. It offers several benefits that may ease the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps, particularly for individuals experiencing conditions like endometriosis, a condition where tissue similar to the lining of the uterus grows outside the uterus, often experience intense menstrual cramps. The use of castor oil packs on the abdomen has been reported to bring relief to some individuals with endometriosis, possibly due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Number 10. Supports liver health. Castor oil is believed to support liver function by stimulating bile production. Bile, produced by the liver, plays a crucial role in digestion and detoxification processes. By promoting bile production, castor oil may help improve liver function and overall digestive health. Number 11. Boosts nail health. Castor oil can help strengthen and moisturize brittle nails, promoting healthy nail growth. Its ability to penetrate the nail bed and provide hydration can help prevent nail breakage and improve overall nail health. Number 12. Reduces skin wrinkles and age spots. Castor oil's antioxidant properties may help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Castor oil also contains proteins that stimulate collagen production by the skin cells, so it is ideal to use as anti-wrinkle. Number 13. Getting rid of stretch marks. Castor oil can help to fade stretch marks by improving the elasticity of the skin. It is thought to work by increasing blood flow to the affected area and breaking down scar tissue. To use castor oil for stretch marks, simply massage it into the affected area daily. Number 14. Deep facial cleanser. Castor oil is an effective deep facial cleanser that can help to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. It is also gentle on the skin and can help to soothe inflammation. To use castor oil as a facial cleanser, simply apply it to a damp washcloth and massage it into your face. Rinse with warm water and follow up with a moisturizer. Number 15. Heal dry cracked heels. Castor oil can help to heal dry cracked heels by moisturizing the skin and reducing inflammation. To use castor oil for dry cracked heels, simply apply it to the affected area and massage it in. You can also wear socks to keep the oil in place overnight. So why spend on expensive skincare products when you have castor oil? Number 16. Reduces joint pain. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate pain and inflammation associated with arthritis and other joint problems. Studies have shown that topical application of castor oil can reduce pain and improve joint function in individuals with osteoarthritis. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, make it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and inflammation of your nerves. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. Ricinoleic acid is thought to be the main reason why castor oil is effective in reducing joint pain. When castor oil is applied topically to the skin, it is absorbed into the bloodstream and can help to reduce inflammation in the joints. This can help to relieve pain, swelling, and stiffness. Castor oil can also be taken orally to help reduce joint pain. However, it is important to note that castor oil can have a laxative effect, so it is important to start with a small dose and increase it gradually as needed. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil is also thought to have analgesic properties, which means that it can help to block pain signals. This can further help to reduce joint pain. There are a few different ways to use castor oil for joint pain. One way is to apply it topically to the affected area. You can do this by massaging the oil into the skin or by using a castor oil pack. A castor oil pack is simply a piece of flannel cloth that has been soaked in castor oil, then placed over the affected area and covered with a heating pad or warm compress. Number 17. Relieve insomnia. If you have trouble sleeping, castor oil might be a helpful remedy. Instead of using potentially harmful and habit-forming medications for insomnia, try gently rubbing castor oil on your eyelids before bedtime. Your body absorbs the oil, improving blood flow and making you feel more relaxed. Its calming properties can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can help you fall asleep easier. Number 18. Relieve sunburn. Castor oil can help to relieve sunburn by cooling the skin and reducing inflammation. To use castor oil for sunburn, simply apply it to the affected area and massage it in. You can also soak a cloth in castor oil and apply it to the sunburn as a compress. Number 19. Lengthen eyelashes. Castor oil is a popular remedy for lengthening eyelashes. It is thought to work by nourishing the hair follicles and promoting growth. To use castor oil for eyelashes, simply apply it to a clean mascara wand and brush it onto your lashes. You can also leave it on overnight for extra effect. Now that you know the top benefits of castor oil, have you ever used it before? So, what are your thoughts on castor oil? We'd love to hear your experiences and how it's made a difference in your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.